Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, it's time to find out the winner of the FABFITFUN Mother-Daughter Uncustomized Spring Box Battle. And this was round 2. We had another uncustomized random box and we showed them both to you, and we wanted you to rate the boxes from 1 to 10. I'm happy to announce that I finally beat Laura. I got 598 and Laura got 542.5, so we'll call it 543. And I won this battle. I had a great random box. I think that everything in there was usable and practical, and I really liked it too. And of course, Laura had a good box too. I mean, we got lucky that on our second round that we got some pretty good items. Now let's pop over to the YouTube comment picker. I do have the URL in. I have it filtered for duplicates, and I have our word was random, and we got 65 unique comments on YouTube. So quite a few comments, quite a few of you participating, and I thank you very much. I want to let you know that we both, Laura and I both, enjoy these battles, and we're so happy that you like them too. We really love getting your feedback on it, and we have noticed that a lot of you like them as well. They are a lot of fun, and without any further going on, I'm going to wish you all the best and good luck, and here we go. Thank you all for supporting our channels. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Funky Cold Barbara. Hey Barbara, congratulations. Let's see what she says. That's a great tip about groceries in the cooler, Miss Jackie. I think your random bundle gets a 9 because I like the variety of the products and would use most of them. Well, thank you, Barbara. Let's pop over to her channel and see if she is publicly subscribed to me. That is a rule. You do have to be publicly subscribed to both Laura and I, and right away she is subscribed to Laura, so now it'll be a process of finding Miss Jackie. Hey guys, there I am right there. So Barbara is the official winner, and I want to congratulate you, Barbara. Let's all congratulate Barbara. She is the official winner of the FABFITFUN Mother-Daughter Battle with my channel, Miss Jackie Russell, and she is publicly subscribed to both of us. Barbara, you have 48 hours to contact me, and I will get your package out right away. And again, congratulations. We really appreciate your support, and all of you that did not win this time around, don't worry. We already have more battles planned for the summer 2022. We've got our boxes ordered, and it's just a matter of them getting here. So don't worry, there'll be more, and maybe even a FABFITFUN mystery bundle. You know, we haven't done one of those in a while. So we'll be back with more battles. Right now, I want to thank you all, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Look down in my description for any current giveaways that are going on. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.